The set includes 6 durable brushes designed specifically for tackling tight gaps and crevices. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold, making detailed cleaning less tiring. Their compact size makes them ideal for hard-to-reach areas like bathroom tiles, window tracks, kitchen sinks, and vehicle interiors. Performance. The stiff yet flexible bristles do a great job at scrubbing away dirt, grime, and soap scum without damaging surfaces. They are especially effective for narrow spaces such as faucet bases, toilet edges, and window tracks. Durability. Made with quality materials, these brushes hold up well under repeated use. The bristles do not shed easily, even with tough cleaning jobs. Value for money. With 6 brushes in a pack, they offer great value, allowing you to assign different brushes to specific areas. For example, one for bathrooms, one for kitchens to maintain hygiene. Pros: multi-purpose cleaning tool, comfortable grip, effective for tight spaces, durable bristles. Cons: bristles may be too stiff for delicate surfaces. Limited length may make deep gaps harder to clean. Odor link bio and comment.